Welcome back to Tap Tech, the place where we break down the latest gadgets in a way that's easy to follow. Today we're talking about a gaming tablet that's been getting a lot of attention. The REDMAGIC Astra. When you first pick up the REDMAGIC Astra and start gaming, you immediately feel that this device was built with players in mind. The tablet runs demanding titles smoothly, without lag or stutter, even when graphics are set to the highest level. Big names like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, and PUBG run consistently well. What makes the experience even better is the high refresh rate display, which keeps animations crisp and fluid. Fast-paced shooters feel more responsive, and open-world games look alive with rich detail. Long gaming sessions also reveal how well the cooling system works, even when you push the tablet hard for hours. The device stays cooler than expected. REDMAGIC included an advanced cooling design, and it shows. You don't get uncomfortable heat on your hands, and performance doesn't slow down when the processor is under stress. It's a reliable performer whether you're playing casually or grinding for hours. Graphics on this tablet look stunning. You get vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp clarity that make every frame pop. For gamers, that makes a huge difference. Explosions, environments, and character animations all have a level of detail that pulls you into the game. The touch response is equally impressive. Actions register instantly, making competitive games smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's talk about the design. The REDMAGIC Astra has a bold, futuristic style. It's sleek, but carries a gaming vibe that sets it apart from regular tablets. The back features subtle accents that highlight its gaming DNA without going overboard. The body feels premium, built with solid materials that can handle daily use. Despite being slim, it doesn't feel fragile. The buttons are well placed and easy to reach, which makes it convenient for long play sessions. The display is another highlight. It's a large panel with a sharp resolution that makes games, movies, and everyday use look fantastic. The refresh rate goes high, ensuring smooth visuals whether you're scrolling through menus or deep in battle. The brightness is strong enough to use outdoors, so you don't always need to be indoors to enjoy it. Watching videos on this screen is just as enjoyable as gaming, with vivid colors and smooth playback. Performance outside of gaming is just as strong. The REDMAGIC Astra uses one of the latest chipsets paired with plenty of RAM, so everything runs fast. Apps open quickly, multitasking feels effortless, and creative tools like photo editing or video apps perform smoothly. If you want a tablet, that can be both a gaming device and a productivity machine. This one has the power to do both. The software comes with REDMAGIC's own custom interface, designed for gamers, but flexible enough for daily use. You get a dedicated game mode that lets you block notifications, optimize performance, and track stats like temperature and frame rates. The interface is clean and responsive, with helpful features that make the experience smoother. It feels like a balance between a gaming-focused device and a regular Android tablet. Battery life is impressive considering how much power this tablet packs. You can expect hours of gaming without constantly worrying about charging. In mixed use, it easily lasts through the day. When you do need to charge, the fast charging support gets it back up quickly. This is important because no one wants to wait long when they're ready to jump back into a game. Audio is another strength. The REDMAGIC Astra comes with powerful speakers that deliver clear and loud sound. In games, you can hear directional audio cues, which can give you an edge in competitive matches. For movies or music, the sound is rich with decent bass and clarity. If you prefer headphones, the tablet also supports high-quality audio output. It's making it versatile for all kinds of entertainment. Connectivity is reliable. Support for the latest Wi-Fi standards and Bluetooth. This ensures smooth online gaming, quick downloads, and stable connections for wireless accessories. Some versions even come with optional cellular support, letting you stay connected on the go. This makes the tablet useful not just for gaming, but also for travel or work. When we look at the value, the REDMAGIC Astra sits in an interesting spot. It's priced lower than many premium tablets, but offers a specialized experience that targets gamers. If you're getting high performance, great visuals and features designed for people who spend hours gaming. For someone who wants a device that feels like a mix of a gaming console and a productivity tablet, it offers strong value. Of course, there are pros and cons. On the positive side, the REDMAGIC Astra gives excellent gaming performance, smooth display quality, strong cooling, and solid battery life. It's a device made for gamers but flexible enough for work or entertainment. On the downside, its design may feel too bold for those who prefer a minimal look. And the software, while feature-rich, might take a little time to adjust to if you're used to stock Android. The camera system is decent but not at the level of top-tier tablets, though that's expected since it's not the main focus here. In the end, REDMAGIC Astra Gaming Tablet delivers on its promise. It's a portable powerhouse that brings console-like gaming to a slim and stylish device. If you're someone who takes gaming seriously but also wants a tablet that can handle everyday tasks, this is a strong choice. It's not trying to be a regular tablet first. It's designed to be a gaming machine that can also multitask when needed. Thanks for watching TapTech, where we bring you real reviews in plain language. If you want more deep dives into the latest gadgets, make sure to stick around for upcoming videos